Hello and welcome to Darziware tutorial series. Darziware is an ultimate solution which helps you efficiently streamline and organize all of your business operations. It has got a plenty of attractive features which relieves a lot of your burden of managing a custom tailoring business. It allows you to shift your focus from production challenges to delivering high-quality craftsmanship within the promised time frame, helps you deliver a top-notch customer experience, let you win the customer trust and loyalty. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to configure Darziware to handle day-to-day orders. First of all, let's understand the basic structure of customized clothing. Then we will learn how to create our own stitching service catalog in Darziware. Next is to learn how to create measurement terms and how to attach them to any stitching service. Next is to define the workshop or production processes, such as cutting is one process and stitching is another process. Once we define all needful process, then we need to attach them to each stitching service. Then we will learn how to creating styling catalog or design collection with images, and how to attach the same to stitching service. Let us start with discussing some important aspects of a customized outfit. Each customized outfit has got four specialties. First, body measurement terms. They differ garment to garment. For example, shirt will have different measurement terms and trouser will have different. Second, styling options. These are customizable options available with each individual garment, such as only shirt collar may have 8 to 10 different options, and there can be 6 to 10 number of customizable options in shirt. These options are better described graphically. That's the reason Darziware allows you to create your styling gallery with images. Third, production workflow. Each garment may pass through a sequence of activities during production. They are called as process of production. Fourth, sub-items. If the defined outfit is a bundle of outfits such as three-piece suit, then the list of sub-items has to be declared. The beauty of Darziware lies in handling all of these very effectively. Let us learn the same. Let us log into Darziware with the provided credentials. For the ease of onboarding new users, our Darziware account comes with sample data to help us quickly explore the order management technique without any configuring anything. But we may wish to remove the sample data and create our own service list. To do so, we need to learn how to configure Darziware. Let us start. Click on Master menu and then select Tailoring sub-menu, then go to Stitching Services. We can find the list of available services here. Let us start with adding a new service. Item type. This allows you to create 3 different types of items. We will see the first option, Stitching Service, in this tutorial. Fill suitable data in item name, description, and stitching charges of the service, and select the appropriate tax slab. No tax, no GST is the default option available in your account, and we will share a separate video tutorial for this. Next option is a toggle button which allows you to mark any service as group item. We shall cover this in details towards the end of this video. Keep it single for now. Now let's go to styling options. If we see suitable styling options available in the list, then we should select the appropriate ones and then click on Save. If we don't find any expected style option in the list, then we can create them and link them later. We are going to see the style gallery option in this video. Please watch it till the end. Now here you can see the created services listed in the table. Great. We have successfully created a service. Now we need to map it to suitable measurement terms and define the production workflow for the same. Click on Measurement button. You must see the similar pop-up showing the list of available measurement term on the left-hand side. Whereas, if you click on any measurement, it shall be added to the list of selected measurement terms shown on right-hand side. If you don't see any measurement terms in the available list of measurement, don't worry, we are going to train you on how to add new measurement terms in Darziware. Let us map the production process exactly the same way as we mapped the measurement terms to QWERTY right before. Click on Process button in the respective row. We can see the list of available processes. Click one by one in the exact sequence of process applied to production of the garment. If you wish to remove any already mapped process, then click on the respective item shown in the right-hand side list. Then click on Save. Let us now learn how to add new measurement terms in the list. To add a new measurement term, we need to click on Master, then choose Tailoring option, and then click on Measurement Terms option. Here we can add a new measurement term by feeding name and short code. Short code should be for character long. Click on Save to add the measurement term. Let us add to measurement terms as front 1 and front 2. Then we shall attach these two terms to a stitching service. Now let's go to Stitching Service and check if the added terms are available to attach to a stitching service. Here it is. Front 1 and front 2 are the 2 terms which we recently created. Let us map them to current item. Done. Let's save it now. This is how we can add n number of measurement terms in Darziware and attach them to relevant stitching services. Let's look at creating new workshop process as dyeing and hand embroidery in the system now. To add a new process, we need to click on Master Menu option, then Tailoring, and then click on Process option. Here we need to give a name and description of the process. Please note, this process is only applicable to production line of a garment, such as cutting, stitching, dyeing, etc. If this process needs a measurement slip, generally known as job card, work order, for workers to perform the task, then we can tick the checkbox, Print Job Card. It gives us an option to don't print a job card when it is not required. Similarly, if the outcome of the process is a trial-ready outfit, for which we want our customer to be notified, then tick the Is Trial Applicable checkbox. It shouldn't be selected for processes such as dyeing, embroidery, or cutting, as the outcome of these processes don't give us a trial-ready outfit. Click on Save to add this new process. Now, let's go to Stitching Service Master and attach these newly added process to a service. As we have seen, to attach a given process, we need to click on the Process button and choose the process from the left-hand side list. As in the current scenario, we see couple processes are already attached to the current outfit. We can remove them easily by clicking on the individual process name. As we know, we should attach the process in an exact sequence of production workflow. For example, dyeing must be the first process and embroidery shall be the next. Thus, we remove all the existing processes and map all of them fresh in an expected sequence. Click on Save to confirm the update. As we have learnt the step to configure 2 critical attributes of a customized clothing, measurement, and production processes. Now, let's learn to add customizable styling options. Go to Master, click on Tailoring, and then click on Style Gallery option. Here we can create our styling catalog for each customizable option such as collar, cuff, pockets, etc. To add a new styling head, click on It button on right top corner and then give a name to our style head and click on Save button. Once the added style head is listed in the left list pane, click on the same to add options under it. Let's give a suitable name to the option. If we decide to charge some amount for this style option, then we can mention the charges here and then choose the appropriate picture for the same. This picture can be printed on the measurement slip for the quick perusal of the worker. If we have more than one option under any style head, we may wish to set a default option to save time at the time of order booking. Mark the default tick mark and click on Save button. You will see the added style option below. Let us add one more. Please note, if we create style head, but do not add any style option, such head cannot be attached to any stitching service. Each style head needs to have at least one option, then only it can be attached to a stitching service. Now, let us go to Stitching Service and edit an existing stitching service to attach the newly added style heads. Here we will see only those options for which we have added style options. If any style head isn't visible here, then please go back to Style Gallery and add a few options to it. Once we map the styling heads to a stitching service, the customizable options under it shall be shown on the Measurement tab of Order Booking Process. Allows us to select the options chosen by the customer. Now we have learned to configure 3 attributes of a customized clothing: measurement, production processes, and customizable style options. Now we shall see grouping the services. For example, let us create a sherwani set. It includes sherwani top and churidar as bottom. Let's create sherwani top and kutidar as stitching service. We have already seen how to create stitching services. Let's create 2 individual stitching services along with selecting the customizable style heads and map the measurement terms and workshop process required in manufacturing process. Now we shall create sherwani set. While we create a group item, we need to click on this toggle button. Ensure it is shown as group item and save it. Measurement and process buttons are disabled for group item, and only group button is enabled. Click on this group button and select the sub-services for this grouped service item, and save. This has created a grouped service item. Now, at the time of billing, if we bill this grouped service item to a customer, application will allow us to feed measurement for sub-items and select the customizable style options for both of them. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope this will help you configure your business in Darziware. In next tutorial, we shall see workforce management, such as adding your workers and defining their roles by attaching them to suitable workshop process, including their pay structure. Managing movement of garments from workshop to store through production outward and inward process, which streamlines the garments in transit. Managing customer trials and deliveries, financial transactions including worker payment. Advances other expenses. Business insights tracking with the rich reporting system. Feel free to contact us for any sort of assistance needed in order to learn to operate Darziware. For more details, visit www.darziware.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to stay tuned and informed of our latest tutorials as soon as they are published. Thank you and wish you happy transforming.